I was miserable when I saw my friend Chebukati. Let me call him my friend because we have become lately able to work together, because he's the chairman of the IEBC. Ati amesema that yale majina, because I saw Anti-Corruption Commission admitting for the first time that walitoa orodha ya watu leaders over 106 who, according to them, fell short of the provisions of Article Chapter 6 of the Constitution. On integrity, in other words, they should not have gone for national elections. And the church is quiet. And the chairman of IEBC says, I cannot bar them. BBI or no BBI, constitutional referendum or no referendum, can the country at least do something to stop thieves from assuming that? Sorry, Kenyans, are we serious? Yani tunakubali uwezi, na ni mwizi huyu. Anakataliwa na katiba. By the way, the Constitution is the supreme law of the land. We're only trying to amend it to make it more progressive. Constitution 2010 is one of the best in the world. On the Bill of Rights, on the rights of the individual. But inasema kwamba wewe kama ni mwizi upaswi kuwa kiongozi wa nchi. Kiongozi kama mheshimiwa hapa wa wadi yetu, mbunge wenu, gavana wenu. Niliona rafiki yako Raila akisema atafunga. Situanze kuwafunga saa hii. Katiba ianze kufanya kazi yake sasa. Therefore, people should then disqualify themselves, because if they do not disqualify themselves, we will tell Kenyans, at least mimi niende hata kama nitaenda kwa ofisi yako ya wakili ama kwenda nyumbani, telling the country the truth as I know it about every leader.